going to show you how to factor a polynomial by using a method called grouping. As it states here, factoring by grouping is a good strategy to use when there are four terms, such as 3np plus 15p minus 4n minus 20. Let's go ahead and get started. Hint number 1. You want to look for a GCF, which is greatest common factor, between the first and the second terms. You will also look for a GCF between the third and the fourth terms. So go ahead and look at the first and second terms, 3np plus 15p. Try to find a GCF between those two terms. Look at your third term, negative 4n, and the fourth term, negative 20, and find a GCF between these two terms. Hopefully, you figured out that 3p was the GCF between the first and second term, and the GCF between the third and the fourth term, we're going to use minus 4 or negative 4. Let's take a look at hint 2. Notice that after you factored out the greatest common factor from the first term, did you notice that there's a n plus 5 in both of these groups? That is now called your GCF. So our final answer, when we factor, is written like so: n plus 5 times 3p minus 4.